welcome to Miss Rachel's class. Okay, so today is the 24th of April. Let's go ahead and get started. So homework was this worksheet and we had to fill it out on Google Form. So what we had to do is we had to read each group of words and write the target vocabulary word that goes with each group. So number 1, the way people act, dress, and speak. What do we think that is? In your culture? Good, well done. It's culture. Good job, Buh. So you did actually get that right, Buh. Well done. Culture. Okay, so the way people act, dress, and speak is their culture. Number 2, math, science, social studies, and reading. Daisy.
Subjects.
Good girl, subjects. So a few people did get those swapped the other way around. Some people wrote lessons, and I can see why you would write lessons because we do have math lessons, science lessons, social studies lessons, and reading lessons. However, we're looking for the word subjects because lessons is going to go somewhere else. Lessons would make sense here. Okay, number 3. Trains, cars, buses, planes, and boats. They are all types of what, Haifam?
Transport.
Good. Transportation. Transportation. Trains, cars, buses, planes, and boats are used to transport people and things to other places. Okay, next. Pants, shirt, jacket, hat, and shoes. They are all things that we can what? Jenny.
Where?
Good girl. They're all things that we can wear. They're all items of clothing. Good girl, Jenny. Well done. Next, different from others for a certain time. What do we think? Different from others or for a certain time? Banshee. Good girl, special. Different from others or for a certain time is special. Good girl, amazing work. So if you are different from others, you are special. You're not the same. You're not ordinary. And for a certain time can mean special too. For example, sometimes on TV, you might hear of special offers. So for a limited time, maybe you can go to a restaurant and get a pizza for cheaper than it usually would be. This is a special offer. Okay, number 6, English, Spanish, French, and Japanese. Ding Ming, what do we think? What word would go here?
Languages.
Good job, well done. English, Spanish, French, and Japanese are all languages that we speak. Okay, number 7, school, neighborhood, group of people. What do we think? Let's go for Simon.
Community.
Very good. Well done, Simon. Good boy. Well done, Simon. It's community. So your community is your neighborhood. It's the area where you live, and it's the group of people that live in the same place as you. Okay, number 8, things learned. Khaki. Let's go for a girl and let's go for khaki.
That is lesson.
Very good. Well done. A lesson. We learn a lesson. Good girl, Kaki. Sometimes we can learn math or English lessons, or sometimes we even learn lessons from a story. Remember we read the story, How Chipmunk Got His Stripes? The lesson we learned from that story was not to brag and not to boast, because if you brag and boast, sometimes you might get hurt and you might upset someone else. So lessons are things that we can learn. Okay, guys, so yesterday we learned about 8 new vocabulary words. Let's just match up these definitions to the words to make sure that we remember them. Okay, number 1 is culture. What is the definition for culture? Let's have a look. Let's read all the words on the left. Who can read all the new vocabulary words on the left for me? Can I have Mooney?
Culture. Language.
Languages.
Languages. Lessons. Community. Subject. Where. Transportation. Special.
Good, lovely reading, Mooney. Okay, who can read all the definitions for me? Ha Ling.
A group of people who live together in a certain place. The way people write and
Speak. Good girl.
topics and of study.
Good girl.
A way of moving people or things from one place to other.
To another.
Another.
Good girl.
To have something on your body.
Good.
Different from all other.
Or extraordinary.
Extraordinary.
Good girl.
Things to be learned are taught. The
Traditions.
tradition and
Beliefs.
beliefs of a group of people.
Lovely reading, Helen. Good girl. Perfect. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to match the words to their definition. Number 1 is culture. Who can help me do culture? Okay, Suri, go ahead.
The tradition and belief of a group of people.
Perfect. Well done, Suri. Okay, so the answer for this one is the traditions and beliefs of a group of people. So let's just think about that. So many different cultures have different traditions and different beliefs. For example, we talked about a little bit about English culture. In our culture in England, we celebrate Christmas. Christmas is probably one of the biggest holidays in England. Everyone celebrates it. Many shops and places decorate with Christmas trees and baubles. Everyone goes shopping. You can get to go and see Santa and reindeers. Whereas in Vietnam, people do celebrate Christmas, but it's not as big. Instead, the biggest holiday in Vietnam is what? Shout it out.
Tet.
Very good. Tet holiday would be the biggest holiday that you celebrate in Vietnam. That is part of your tradition. Okay, the next word is languages. Who thinks they can help me match languages? Good girl, Vanchi. Languages are the way people write and speak. So we have many different types of languages. What languages do most people speak in Vietnam?
Vietnamese.
Good. What do people speak in China?
Vietnamese.
Good. What language do people speak in Korea? Good. Well done. So there are many, many, many different types of languages. Good job. Okay, the next word is lessons. I want a boy to do this one. Fred.
Things to be learned or taught.
Perfect. Well done. Things to be learned or taught. Amazing work, Fred. So lessons are things that we can learn or we can be taught them, such as chess lessons, swimming lessons, even extra math lessons. Or like I said earlier, lessons can be things that we learned from stories or even movies. Okay, let's have a girl. Community. Kitty, what is a community?
A group of people who live together in a certain place.
Good girl. A group of people who live together in a certain place. Amazing work, Kitty. So your community is very similar to your neighborhood. So a community is just similar to a neighborhood. So it's the people who live in a certain place or a certain area close together. Well done. Subjects. Katie.
Topics of study.
Very good. Well done. Topics of study. Good girl. Subjects are topics that you study, such as French, German, Spanish, English, Vietnamese, history, music, art, math, many different things. We study lots and lots of different subjects. Okay, really good work, Katie. Next is wear. Wear. To wear something. Okay, Zui Ming, can you help me?
To have something on your body.
Very good. Well done. To have something on your body. Well done. To wear means to put something on your body, whether that's sunglasses, whether that's rings, whether that's a shirt or a jacket. Well done, Zui Ming. Okay, boys, you need to change your names. So, Dami, Sop, Fred. Next, transportation. Can you do that for me, Michael? Transportation.
Transportation is a way of moving people or things from one place to another.
Very good. Well done, Michael. Transportation is the way of moving people or things from one place to another. Great work. Amazing. Okay, last one is special. What is special? Mooney.
Different from all other are extraordinary.
Good girl, well done. Different from others or extraordinary. So if something is special, it is not the same as everything else. It's not ordinary. It's different. It's better. Well done. Okay, guys, so today we're going to have a look at our high frequency words. So yesterday we learned about the 8 vocabulary words. Today we're looking at high frequency words. Have a look at this. The first high frequency word is about. Can everyone say about?
About.
Very good. Well done. Have a look at this sentence. Can you read for me, Nancy?
They like to read books about bears.
Very good. Well done. They like to read books about bears. So these two little bears are reading books, and they like to read books about bears. Who can give me an example sentence using the word about? Kitty.
I like to read a book named Cats, and it is about a cat that's spinning around.
Very good. Lovely. I like to read a book named Cats, and it is about a cat that is spinning around. Good girl. Dami, can you give me a sentence using the word about?
I like to watch TV on Netflix about three bears. It is a Netflix movie.
Very good. Well done. Amazing. Good job, Dami. Okay, let's have a look at our next high frequency word. So this man is looking at lots and lots of delicious but maybe unhealthy food. Let's see. Our word is everything. Can everyone say everything?
Everything.
Very good. Well done. Have a look at this sentence. Can you read this sentence for me, Cherry?
Everything looked so good. He didn't know what to eat first.
Good girl. Everything looked so good, he didn't know what to eat first. So our word is everything, talking about all things. Who can give me an example sentence using the word everything? Nuna.
I see everything outside the park.
Good girl. Okay, I see everything outside the park. Good girl. Okay, let's have Zweeming. Zweeming, can you give me a sentence using everything?
I see everything on the moon.
I can see everything on the moon. Ooh, that's a good one. Well done, Zweeming. Okay, and one more.
I can eat everything.
Very good. I can eat everything. Amazing. I can eat everything. Well done. Okay, really good. Okay, great sentences. Let's have a look at the next one. Da, 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 da. The next word is first. Can everyone say first? Very good. Not second, not third, not last, first. Let's have a look at my sentence. Can you read for me? Katie, can you read this for me?
I came first in the race.
Amazing. I came first in the race. So this person is running through the rope and they have won the race. Now, who can give me their own sentence using the word first? Simon.
Well, I got first in the race.
Sometimes I came first in the race.
Yeah, sometimes.
Good job. Sometimes I came first in the race. Well done, Simon. Good job. Okay, let's also have a girl this time. Okay, Nancy, go ahead.
My dad, I came first in the English competition.
Ooh, good one. I came first in the English competition. Good girl. Well done. So we don't have to just come first in races. You can even win prizes by doing different things like competitions for English or chess competitions. Good girl, Nancy. Okay, let's have one more sentence.
I came first in the video game.
Good girl. Well done. I came first in a video game. Great work. Okay, our next word is her. Can everyone say her? Well done. Amazing work. Her. Have a look at my sentence. My sentence says, can you read this for me, Ruby?
That cat belongs to her.
Very good. Well done. That cat belongs to her. Lovely reading, Ruby. Good job. Who can give me a sentence using the word her? So we use the word her when we want to talk about possession. For example, that is her cat. That is her book. That cat belongs to her. Who can give me a sentence using the word her? Okay, great. Let's go for Kaki.
Dog belongs to her.
Very good. That dog belongs to her. Amazing. Let's go for Daisy.
Her cooking looks yummy.
Ooh, good one. Her cooking looks yummy. Well done. Okay, Sop.
Her cats can run.
Her cats can run. Very good. Well done. Let's go for Vanchi.
Her cat is cute.
Her cat is cute. Very okay. Our next word is of. Can everyone say of? Amazing. Have a look. I think you all know where this sentence is going. Have a look. Can you read it for me? Daisy, can you read this for me? Would?
Would you like a piece of cake?
Good girl. Would you like a piece of cake? Well done. So who can help me? Who can make their own sentence using the word of? Okay, Cherry, go ahead.
Cake. Do you want some of this cake?
Very good. Do you want some of this cake? Good girl. Really good work, Cherry. Okay, let's go for Swimming.
Would you like a piece of chips?
So we wouldn't say a piece of chips because chips don't come in pieces. But what do we have a piece of? We could have a piece of cake, a piece of pizza, a piece of bread. Yeah, so you can say, would you like a piece of bread? Okay, and Michael, can you tell me a sentence, please?
He is sick of sadness.
Very good, very emotional. He is sick of sadness. Good job, Michael. That is a great sentence. Okay, moving on. Have a look. Oh, very cute. What's our word? Slowly. Of course it is. Let's have a look at the sentence. Can you please read this sentence for me, Fred?
The snail moved slowly along the ground.
Lovely. Thank you for reading, Fred. The snail moved slowly along the ground. Okay, who can give me their own sentence using the word slowly? Suri, can you give me a sentence using the word slowly?
The snail walked slowly, but they have many teeth.
They have many teeth. They have 2,000 teeth. Okay, good. So some facts about snails. Good girl. Okay, and Mooney. Mooney, can you give me a sentence using the word slowly?
The turtle moved slowly.
Very good. A turtle moves slowly. Great work. Perfect. A turtle also is a slow walker. Well done. Okay, one more. Kaki.
The turtle moved slowly along the water.
Very good. The turtle moves slowly along the water. Good girl. Great work. Okay, next. Okay, who's this?
Mr. Bean!
Very good. It is. It's Mr. Bean. And what is he doing? Let's have a look. The word is store. Can everyone say store? Very good. Let's see what Mr. Bean is up to. Who can read this sentence for me? Haling.
Mr. Bean is buying a train from the toy store.
Good girl. Mr. Bean is buying a train from the toy store. Good job. Okay, so there are many different types of stores we can go to. Now, who can give me their own sentence using the word store? Okay, Jenny, can you give me a sentence using the word store?
Mr. Bean is go to the toy store.
Mr. Bean goes or is going. Mr. Bean goes to this toy store or Mr. Bean is going to this toy store. Good girl. Well done. Let's go for Coon.
I go to the store and I buy a toy.
Very good. I go to the store and I buy a toy. One more sentence. Can you give me a sentence? Let's go for Sup.
I go to the store and buy a candy.
I go to the store and I buy some candy. some candy. Good job. Well done. Sup. Okay, moving on. Have a look. The word is two. Can everyone say two?
I know this cat.
Very good. Have a look. My sentence is I see two cats eating ice cream. Who can give me a sentence using the word two? Ding Ming.
Have two toy marble one.
So I have two Marvel toys. Amazing. Good job. I had two Marvel toys. Good job. Okay, let's go for Daisy, can you give me a sentence?
Two cat is fat.
The two cats are fat. Good girl. So we have to use are there because we're speaking about more than one. Good job, Daisy. And one last one. Buh, can you tell me a sentence using the word two?
I have two big robots and one tiny people.
Very good. One tiny person, because people means more than one person. So I have two giant robots and one tiny person. Good job. Have a look. Okay, our next word is, what do we think? World. Can everyone say world?
World.
Amazing. Good job. Hi, Fam. Can you read this sentence for me? We
Can help take care of the world by
recycling.
recycling.
Very good. We can help take care of the world by recycling. Now, who can give me their own sentence using the word world? Okay, let's go for Jenny.
We can draw the wall.
We can draw the world. Good girl, Jenny. Perfect. Cherry, what about you?
The world is big.
The world is big. Good. The world is huge. We've got plenty of people living here. Good girl. Swimming.
The world is on Earth.
Very good. Our world is Earth. Well done. Amazing. Good job, Swimming. Okay, Dami.
The world we are living in is Earth.
Very good. The world we are living in is Earth. Good job. Well done, Dami. Vicky.
Vietnam is one of the countries in the world.
Ooh, good sentence. Vietnam is one of the countries in the world. Good girl, Vicky. Amazing. Okay, and last one, Nuna. Can you give me a sentence using the word world?
The world has a lot of people.
Good girl. The world has a lot of people. Yes, it does. Amazing work. Okay, guys, so that brings us to the end of our lesson. For homework today, I would like you, also over the weekend, to write a sentence for each vocabulary word. I want you to write a sentence for each of the vocabulary words. Culture, subjects, community, lessons, languages, special, transportation, and where. So you're going to complete a Google form link and you write a sentence for each of the vocabulary words we are learning about. So you will complete it on a Google form. You'll complete it online. So I'm going to stop sharing. I'm going to say goodbye. Have a great weekend, everybody. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.